People out there believe that the earth is flat. And I'm not talking about a couple of 3-year-olds. I'm talking about 40-year-old grown men. Like, these people actually have pep rallies, protests, and even conferences.
But for the people attending the first Flat Earth International Conference here in Cary, North Carolina, their Earth is indisputably not round.
Yeah, everybody here can agree on absolutely one thing, which is it is not a globe.
And I know what you're thinking. This is probably a really, really, really tiny community, but it's not. They actually have millions of members. Millions of members. Like, this is a 21st century, not the 1800s. Like, because these people are so stupid, I decided to bully them with facts. Okay, the first thing the flat earthers believe in is that gravity is not real. So let's just disprove that. Okay, so you see, I have a ball right here. If gravity was really fake, then when I drop this ball, it shouldn't fall down, right? But it does. Now, why exactly would the ball fall down if gravity was not a real thing? Like, I just don't understand. And if you thought that that ball was somehow like CGI or a hologram, well, I can just do it again. So you see, I have a ball right here. It is not CGI. It is not a hologram. Like, it is completely real. When I drop this, it falls down. Like, I just don't get it. Like, you see, gravity is so obviously a real thing. And if you still think that this experiment is somehow like flawed or some other crap, you can do it yourself. Just like chuck your phone out your window. Like, if it somehow starts floating, then, oh, I guess you're right, the earth is flat. But if it falls down, like, you know, it should, gravity is real, and that means that the earth is round. Like, I just don't get flat earthers. It's so stupid. After that, these clowns believe that Australia is fake. Yes, they think the entire continent is fake. Yeah, they're pretty stupid. But I think they forgot one thing. You could look at pictures of Australia. So let's look at them. Okay, if Australia was really fake, then what is this? What city is this? And also, if Australia is fake, then what is this? Or this? Or this? Like, this is goddamn Australia. Like, I don't know why flat earthers have such a hard time believing in this stuff. Like, you could literally look at pictures, and if you think pictures are just like CGI or some crap, you can visit Australia. Like, I'm just gonna do a Google search. Are there any flight tickets to Australia? Like, look at all of these flights to Australia. If you want to go to Sydney, all you need is $1,162, and there you go. You'll be in Australia. Like, flat earthers say the continent is fake, but like, you can literally go visit there. Like, what is the evidence of the continent being fake? Like, I don't get it. Like, what is wrong with these people? Like, if you think this one is dumb, well, just look at the next one. Trees are fake. Like, the main idea within the flat earth theory is that there are no more real trees left. According to them, the trees we see now are small or static versions of giant 20-mile-high trees that used to exist on Earth in ancient times. In short, the things we think are trees today are actually bushes. Yes, they think trees are bushes. So let's disprove that. Okay, so I have found some trees. Like, are these things bushes? Like, I don't think that these things are actually bushes. And if these things are actually bushes, then what are bushes? And if you don't believe that this is a tree and think that it's like CGI or something, well, like, here it is. It ain't CGI, it's completely real. I'm like, there's an entire forest of them here. Like, an actual entire forest. Yeah. So if you believe trees are fake, then checkmate. And also, if you really think that this is a hologram, like projection or something, just get out of your mom's basement and look at the trees, like, for yourself. Like, you can, like, touch them and stuff. Yeah, they're pretty dumb. But if you thought that was stupid, then, well, just wait for the next one. Space is fake. Yeah, they actually think that the entirety of space is fake and that Earth is the only planet. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. But I think they forgot one thing again. You could look at pictures of space. So let's look at them. If space is really fake, then what the hell is this? Like, look at all of those stars and galaxies. Like, that's space. What the hell is this? Like, this is also space. Like, I don't understand. Like, look at all of these pictures of space. Like, you can literally go outside and look at space. Like, it's really not that hard. And soon enough, you can actually book tickets on a rocket to go to space. So once those come out, book those tickets and look at space. Like, please, just do it. Like, please, for the sake of humanity, just do it. Like, I don't know why these kids are like so stupid. But that's not it. After that, they think pilots are paid actors. Like, actual paid actors. You see those two dudes right there? Flat earthers think that they're paid actors. They think that the government is paying them to lie about the shape of the earth. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. But I think flat earthers forgot one thing. You can actually go and become a pilot. Yeah, you could just become a pilot. And if you become a pilot, you know, you'll actually see if they're getting paid to lie or not. Like, I don't know why a flat earther hasn't done this. Actually, I do know they're pretty stupid, so like, they probably will never get the qualifications. But you can do that. So why don't you take your most trusted and smartest flat earther and make him a pilot to see if pilots are actually getting paid to lie? Like, flat earthers do zero research. So I don't understand what their entire theory is. It's so stupid. Like, my brain is hurting. But if you thought that that was dumb, well, just wait for the next one. Like, you see all of these pictures of the earth? Flat earthers think that they're all CGI. Like, all of them. Like, I'm not even surprised at this point. But like, if you're a flat earther, just trust me. They are not CGI. But like, I lost way too many brain cells and school is starting soon, so like, if you enjoyed, then please subscribe. But anyways, until next time, I'm Shri.